Hi, my name is David Hallett. I'm the president and lead broker of Solid Foundation Realty. I'm here to update my video blog to talk about the current market conditions as of October of 2011. What's here to aid me is the current Case-Shiller index that came out in October of 2011. Sorry if it's a little blurry from that angle. I do want to point out a couple things on here. These are the index based on various price levels of a home, with the red being detached homes under $308,000, with the yellow being homes between $306,000 and $458,000, and what's considered the high range of homes over $458,000. What's critical here, and on a lot of San Diego County, you're dealing with mid-range homes, is that in the bottom of April of 2009, when the tax credits and everything was in place, we had a very significant rise in the price of the homes from the bottom, almost an 18% increase up until between July and October of 2010. After the tax credits declined, we had a downward tick, but in the entry-level homes, still a lot of interest and still hovering at about 12% over the April of 2009 bottom. The mid-tier home, which I think is most applicable in San Diego County along with the high tier, is we had a similar uptick, not to the high levels, but at about a 12% gain. But once those credits ended, and with the current financing restrictions and difficulty in obtaining finance by requiring more down payments, etc., we've had a pretty steep decline back to fairly close to the April of 2009 bottom. We're about 4% above the April of 2009 bottom. With the high-priced homes, again over $458,000, also a lot of homes in San Diego County, you saw a more interesting track that it rose, kind of leveled and rose again, and a pretty consistent downward to basically almost 2% above the April of 2009 lows. What's interesting here is what's going to happen going forward. We now have hit a 60-year low in interest rates, hoping to stimulate in part the housing market as well as more consumer spending. But as far as these figures, it's my prediction that they'll likely level and or continue to slide back down. To which level is still questionable. I do believe that they're going to average out, and that you should start looking for bargains back to this level, or if you're selling your home, pricing it based on an understanding of where the current market trend is. Now, I can help you based on statistics for your particular neighborhood in San Diego County, including Chula, Vista areas. There's a wide variance between how each neighborhood is fared during the recession and in conjunction with these statistics. And I'd be happy to look at your specific area and tell you what's going on in that neighborhood, where the statistics show how you might be able to get a deal on a new home if you're a buyer, or how you might want to consider pricing your home for a sale in the current market conditions. I would love to hear from you. Please give me a call at 619-665-1301 or visit my website at www.solidfoundationrealty.com.